Attention, Dan, do you copy 30 Alpha Tango 211?
Once again, 30 Alpha Tango question mark.
30 Alpha Tango 211, Unit 211, okay, my friend?
Okay, dear friend, I copy you. Thank you for call. 55, your signal report here in Bucharest now, dear friend. Please, how do you copy, over?
Okay, my friend, thank you for the 5x5, 5x7, 5x9 your signal report. Congratulations, my friend. This is 30 Alpha Tango 211. My operator name is Ivan. Ivan, like India, Victor, Alpha, November. Okay, Dan, back to you.
30 Alpha Tango 211. Please, if you copy, what is your name once again? Thank you.
Okay, sorry, Mr. Dan. I put more power in my antenna in this moment. I think your copy is better now, okay?
Okay, very good signal now. Please, once again, your name, dear friend. Sorry, because your signal was in QSB. Once again, please, thank you.
Okay, no problem, Mr. Dan. Okay, this is 30 Alpha Tango 211, and my operator name is Ivan. Ivan, like India, Victor, Alpha, November, okay? I'm transmitting in the center of Spain, in the Guadalajara province, Guadalajara. It's very close to Madrid city. It's about 50 kilometers from Madrid capital, okay?
Okay, Ivan, no problem at all this time. Thank you very much for the call and for the QSO. My QTH is Bucharest, the capital city of Romania, dear friend Ivan. Go ahead.
Okay, Mr. Dan, thank you. Your signal at the moment is 5x9, very good signal. My working condition is an old CB transceiver. It's an old President Richard from 1991. My power at the moment is around 100 whiskies, and my antenna is a vertical antenna. It's a Stereo 827 antenna, okay?
Okay, your friend Ivan. Very good condition there. Congratulations. My condition is very simple. It's about President Jackson. President Jackson and the small homemade power amplifier. 100 whiskies, and antenna is also vertical. 5x8 wave Allen antenna made in Italy.
Okay, thank you for the information, Mr. Dan. It's a similar condition like me, okay? It's a President CB transceiver, a vertical antenna, and 100 whiskies. Okay, thank you, Mr. Dan. I think your QSL manager is Mr. Jose, is correct?
Oh, sorry. I think it's Jose, but 766, Roger?
Yeah, 766. Is it your QSL manager, Mr. Jose, 30 Alpha Tango 766?
Yes, 100% correct, dear friend. No problem at all.
Okay, thank you for the information, my friend. Okay, Mr. Jose is a very good friend. He's my friend, okay? Okay, no problem. Thank you, Mr. Dan, for the answering my call. It's a really pleasure to talk with you. You're welcome to the Alpha Tango family, my friend. Thank you for the QSO. I hope to meet you again on the air, my friend. Thank you. 73.
All the best, Ivan. All the best in your family. Once again, muchas gracias. Chao, chao.
Muchas gracias, Dan. Un fuerte abrazo. 73. Chao, chao.